Tell him to lock the door, does. He didn't do it yet on the car. Your dad, he didn't lock the door yet.
Dad, lock the door. Lock the door.
They are. Glacier carved property, what gives Labrador Hallow its unique area is a special character. The steep, shaded for most of the day, residing in plant life, usually only found in mountain bogs.
Yeah, it's a pretty marsh. You walk up.
Yeah.
I think the falls would be really up in there. Take that.
So, from we said at some point we were talking about a 4-mile hike.
Yeah.
So when we parked on to go to the falls.
Yeah.
If you go here, it's 0.3 miles.
And then
to here, that's another 1.1.
Okay.
Then from here to here, or from here to up here somewhere, that's another 1.6. So that's about
not too bad.
about 3 miles.
Yeah, if you did the whole walk.
To the,
Where's that falls at?
that's Tinker.
That's where we were.
That's
just
where
at.
we were.
Something wrong with it.
Dry summer. It was. Well, it had more water when Desi and I went.
Yeah.
Oh, that looks like a waterfall.
Yeah, it was.
This is where we're going.
We'll walk off this track.
Water, that must be really kayak on this truck.
Oh, it's a pretty little bridge. You know what this reminds me of? Down there in Florida.
Yeah, I know. With the birds and stuff.
Yeah.
Reminds me down Florida, we walk out there on a road like this and see crocodiles.
Don't even listen to us. In Gatorland.
Walk down there.
Gatorland, that's where it is. Oh, there's a bird right there.
Gatorland, it's just
Might be Gatorland.
It was Gatorland.
Alex is taking a shit there. Alex was.
Yeah.
Alex actually sat in the car. We're not far from stuff.
I hear the pretty birds. They had fun doing this crooked trail. This was quite the architectural. Yeah, you got like all kinds of angles. It's no wonder they did this. But it's nice though.
Probably.
Oh, there's 2 paths though.
No, it's this one.
It's a loop.
Which one are we going?
Doesn't matter.
Don't matter.
Okay, let's go this one. We'll come back out that. Yeah, this is one.
Yeah, we're gonna come over that target.
Oh, cool. Oh, that's a cattails. There's no cattails on there though. The big brown things.
Alex is gonna paint his deck.
Yeah, I'm going to put that.
So who's deck?
Hey, his duck, I own the house.
I asked Pepper to
He
paint it.
rents from me.
Asked Pepper to paint it.
That tree fell down.
That was the house in the field.
This goes all the way out to it. All the way around. Wow, this is a lot of building somebody did. Huh. Hello, Alfred. Those are from tall mountains. Really tall. Little pine tree growing in there. You come here in October, you see big cattails, the big brown things hanging up. There's one. I found one. Big ferns. That's a real red tree, isn't it? Yeah. That's redwood. Look, they got real redwood here. See? Or is it just where the sun's on it?
A lot of different kinds of.
Yeah. Real redwood. That's cool. Why aren't they? They're tall. That's it. He likes your perfume. Hey, got him. Little bird. Jeans does. Well, I got another one. In the car, not here.
All day I drink bottled water, and all that salt here takes my kidneys. That's why I jump on food
He's not this week.
Yeah, it's not I called, get the Courtney shoved off that they got on me. Wait, I get money for it.
Come on, I'm trying to record, Bob.
Yeah, she does. She'll clear it out today.
Oh, we're almost to the lake.
Yep.
I can see it now. We're almost here. Some more of them tall trees. Somebody hear music. I hear the bullfrog.
Big loop. Is that a heron?
Where?
Right there. I think it's a heron.
Oh.
What is it, Chris?
I think it's a heron.
A heron?
Yep.
I don't think I see it.
Here. It's right through the crack in the, it's like dead on.
Oh, he's right here. Come back here.
Oh, yeah, I do see him.
You can see it over here.
Here, Dad, there's a heron.
To look past
He's in the water. He's in the water cleaning himself.
his head's up now.
Oh, he's fishing.
The big one.
Clean his ass, he's fishing.
Yeah, I see him right there.
Hey, Mom, come back here.
Don't think you look in that water for supper. You'll see fat like that around this hole.
There's that bird, Chris, up there.
That's where you was going to walk the 8 miles, yeah. Up there. You would look off and say, yep, better come back down now. People down there in the water. Oh, a guy in a boat out there too. 2 of them.
I thought I'd get a better picture of the Heron, but I think I go back over here and see if I can see him.
You don't go back that way. It goes around the circle.
I know I don't. Yeah, I know. Where is he? I thought I could see him better over there, but I can't.
Found it. They're training up in Syracuse. Mom remembers when I had training up in Syracuse. Crap. Hyundai and Elm Chevy just took me up and said, you gotta go. That's funny. Sure was hot. Yeah. So get him close.
This is known about this.
If I go too close, it blurs it out.
She knew about this, and she showed it.
I showed Chris it.
Oh, really?
I told Chris I found it when I was coming back from up in Syracuse for Hyundai. Hyundai training. She can't go to cell. You little shit, I can't. That's the weather.
The pretty little birds are up in this tree, see? There's 3 of them.
3 of them. Oh, you know what? I was looking at those herons. Ooh, it's burning there. Ooh. Oh my God, it's a bird! I'm not scared.
Hey, you want to make $1 million? Where that sawed is up on top. Where Cheryl will take people up and down like in Gatlin.
That's why they do hang gliding.
Huh?
They do hang gliding.
Hang glide? You put Cheryl up and down there.
It's for hang gliding, Bob.
It is not. It's where Desi said they go when you walk across.
Ask Chris, Bob. He'll tell you. And back to where we started.